And welcome in this new episode of Crazy Food Hunter. Today we taste some Royal Soda Kampane Flavour. I don't know at all what Kampane, what the hell flavor it is. And about the design, honestly, it looked like something who came straight from the 90s, 2000s. I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but well. Oh, that's weird. Oh my god. Oh, that's good, but so freaking weird. It's sparkling. It's sparkling, that's sure. And it's two different tastes. Like, it's something a bit like the Shinotto, like, I mean the previous video, link in the description. And after that you have a sweetness, but just like, it doesn't taste at all like, like the original Turkish soda video. Not at all. The smell, yes, but it's really weird. Yeah, it's like the Shinotto and something super sweet. But to me it tastes really awesome. Like this, it's a bit too sweet, but damn, that Royal Soda Kampane Flavour. Oh my god. Do I advise this product? The big question of the show. Yeah, definitely. Because it's good, I mean, my opinion, but anyway, that's different. You never tasted something like that. It's not like a usual soda that you can find in the store. It's awesome. It's definitely awesome. So I think it's already the end of this video, because I have 2 liters to drink after for me. So that was Ken Park for Crazy Food Hunter. I hope you like this video. I do a weekly video on Wednesday. So see you next week.